Subscribe Smart Tech Magic's channel and hit the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch latest tech videos before anyone else.
Hello friends, myself Darshan Kumar Das. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Tech Magics. In this video, I am going to demonstrate my new project, that is face mask detection based attendance monitoring system. Basically, the objective of this project is your attendance will be taken only if you wear mask, and if you don't wear mask and still try to take the attendance, then the program will automatically stop there. So that's the objective of this project. So without any further delay, let's begin. Now before showing you the project, let me say you how I did this project. Basically, earlier I did two projects. One is regarding face recognition based attendance monitoring system and another is regarding real-time face mask detection. Both of the videos I have already uploaded earlier. If you haven't watched those videos, then please go and watch those videos first, because without watching those videos you can't understand what's the logic is going on with this video. So basically what I did here, the real-time face mask detection program will run as a normal program, and I have added an if-else to the real-time face mask detection in such a way that if you wear the mask, then only the attendance program will open where you can take the attendance, and if you don't wear the mask and still try to take the attendance, then the program will immediately stop there. So this way the program works. So now let's move to the computer screen and let me show you the project. So now I am in the desktop screen. As you can see, now I am going to show you all the folders that are necessary for this project. So basically you need to have this folder, link to download, this folder, link to download. The zip file of this folder will be given in the description below. You just have to download it and extract the zip file. And that's it. Then just open this folder, and first what you need to do is just open this install commands.txt, and you need to install all these modules. But before installing all these modules, let me say you what are the folders, the subfolders out here, and what are its uses. This attendance folder is used to store the attendance of the students. Dataset folder is used as the dataset where there is approx 1500 images with mask and approx 1500 images without mask. So all total there are 3000 images in the dataset folder. Face detector part is used to detect whether your face is there or not. Student details part is used to store the details of the students whose attendance is to be taken. Training image is used to store the images of the student whose attendance is to be taken, and the training image level stores the password for attendance taking part. And har cascade frontal face is basically the classifier which is used to for face detection while taking the attendance. And this is the main.py is the main Python file that I am going to run using Spyder Software. And train mask detector.py, this is the Python file without which this main.py file will not work. This main Python file will not work without this code. So basically you need two Python files for this project. Okay, so now let's install all the modules. Simply click on install commands.txt. Open this txt file. Now just select all this in this way. Press Ctrl C. Now open Anaconda Prompt. Click press Ctrl V. All your modules will get installed. It will take maximum 10 minutes to install all the modules properly. So it's getting installed. The last module, I think. No, it's not the last, sorry. Yes, it's the last, and all the modules are now installed. Although I have already installed it earlier, so it is saying requirement already satisfied in all the modules. Anyways, now let's open Spyder Software. Oh, sorry. Spyder Software got opened. Let me show you the two separate codes that I have merged together, that I have already said at the starting of the video. This is the code for detecting whether you are wearing mask or not. It's around 128 lines code, you can see. And this is the code to take your attendance, detect your face and take your attendance. This is around 438 lines of codes approximately. Sorry, not 438, 478. 474, I was wrong. Anyways, 473 lines of code, and this is the main code, which is the code, basically the code for this particular project. And I have just merged these two codes to make the code, this new code, which is face mask detection with attendance monitoring system, from line 1 to line 128. This is the code to check if you are wearing mask or not. If you wear mask, that is if mask is more than without mask, if you wear mask, then the next program will open, which is the program to take the attendance. And if you don't wear mask, then the program will stop there only. I have initiated the if else statement in that way only. You can see this part of the program, that is from line 132 to line 604. This part of the code is used for taking attendance. So yeah, now let's run this code. So I'm running this code. Now you can see it's opening, it's showing starting video stream. So detection part has started. Now you can see it says no mask, no attendance. And if I wear the mask, where is the mask? Anyways, if I wear the mask, it says mask, press Q for attendance. But at first let me show you what will happen if I press Q without wearing mask. So now I'm without wearing mask, I am not wearing mask. Now I'm pressing Q. Let's see what happens. As you can see, without wearing mask, if I press Q, then the program stops there immediately and your attendance will not be taken. Okay, so now let's wear the mask and see if the attendance is taken or not. So I have wear the mask. Now let's press Q for attendance. So now let's register ourselves first. Myself 4150. This is basically the subscriber number that I am presently having, and I am writing my name as my channel's name, Smart Tech Magics. Now click on take images. So it's registering my face, as you can see, just like it has registered my face earlier while I am making the video for face recognition based attendance monitoring system. Anyways, now click on save profile. Make sure while typing the password your caps lock is disabled, and the password is SMAGIX SMAGIX. Then press enter and you can see profile is saved successfully. Now click on take attendance, and here you can see your name is displayed under your face, displayed under my face. Here this is my face, and this inside the blue box under my face my name is displayed here. Now just simply press Q to stop taking attendance. Yeah, so now attendance is taken. Now simply press on quit. Now I'll be running the same code using Anaconda Prompt, and we'll show you how to run the code using Anaconda Prompt. So here is Anaconda Prompt. Now first let me clear it out. Okay, so now first now move to the directory where the folder you have downloaded. For my case it's drive F, so I'm simply going to drive F, but before going we need to go to the root folder, the root directory. Now click the type the location of the folder, and the location is this one. Control C, this is the location, then Control V, press enter. I am extremely sorry, mistakenly first you have to go to F drive. Okay, so now I am in the main folder, isn't it? Yes, I am in the main folder. Now simply type here python main.py. now press enter. It's saying starting video stream. Now press on Q. Now click on take attendance. As you can see, it's showing my name out here under my face. It's sometimes showing my name. You can see. So our attendance is taken. So this is how this project works. This is how you can take the attendance. I mean, by wearing masks, and the attendance will be only taken if you wear the mask. And here I have shown you how to run the code using Spyder Software as well as Anaconda Prompt. Now you can also run this code using Visual Studio 2019 as well as PyCharm, but I'm not showing you that in this video. I will make a separate video for that where I will show how to run this code using PyCharm software as well as Visual Studio 2019. For this part, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful to you all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help me to complete my target. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it. And on the bell icon, select all to watch my latest videos before anyone else. And if you are facing any problem regarding this code, then feel free to join my WhatsApp group. Link to join given in the description below from where you can join. You can also WhatsApp me at my WhatsApp number that I am showing you in the screen. So once again, thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye.